Good afternoon. We are Joost and Deirdre from Sophie Studio, Rotterdam.
Where we come from. This is the Oslo Weekend 2022. And today
we worked on the promenade in your slow boat.
Yes, so first move was half basic, 2, 3, and 4. We take a
side, step,
1, 2, 3.
Leads, closes, triple step.
Yes.
So we talked a little bit about the ending. Sometimes you need a triple step to go out of it, and sometimes, depending on the move up front, we can do a bit of slow.
In this side step, because we work on different side steps, side move, side step. Really make sure that it's a forward driving thing, and then walk with confidence when you
make a turn when your inner legs are in the front.
Then the second opening we did was the swoosh.
Swoosh. The swoosh.
La, 2, 3, and 4,
5
and
5
N. It's on 5 N. Let's do it again.
The other side.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can go out. Don't need to triple step there.
The third one was the gather step.
Yes.
Again, a bit more relaxed. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's show it one more time from a different angle.
Is this a different angle?
I don't know, cover not.
No, yeah.
Make sure, that's very important, that you don't open up too soon. So we stick together, make sure you have a good connection.
First your side step,
and
shift your weight,
then
you can open
you
up.
open up. Yes.
No matter which variation.
No matter which variation. Nice fix. Then we worked on the
more rotational
wind-up
ending,
promenade.
which we call indeed the wind-up. Wind-up. Triple step.
We wind up, and then you can just unwind there and continue dancing. Important again, we use this gather side step here because then we are with our inner leg forward, which really helps in this move.
To start your triple step immediately. And for leads, important that try to make that turning part on your spot. As soon as you start traveling forward, you have to turn around your follow. It's going to be very difficult. So one more time. Gather, triple step.
Also, the opening up is short, and we only use it to bring the follow first forward. So follow first, move a little bit forward.
We talked about this frame for leads, which you use to bring your follow in.
Yes, one more time from this angle. Alright, that was it. Thank you very much.